I'm Manuela.
And I'm Isabella.
And today we're going to be making these little puppies for our Valentine's Day gifts for class. We're going to be needing some breath mints, Hershey Kisses, scissors, and glue dots.
We're also going to be needing some googly eyes, tiny googly eyes, pom-poms, and string.
And don't forget the ears. You'll need to use these flowers, and for the shape you'll have to cut them like this.
Let's get started. So we're going to take these breath mints.
We're each going to have one of them.
And we're going to get 5 Hershey Kisses. Alright. So first we're going to be making the face. We're going to be twisting this just like this.
I'm just going to be twisting it.
This is
I'm
broken.
going to cut it off.
I'm going to cut the part that has the white paper on it. I'm going to cut that off.
We're going to take some glue dots.
Slow down. I'm still trying to cut this.
Okay, so we're gonna take a glue dot,
And we are going to stick it
Just like
on.
this. To do the face. This is the eyes actually.
So now what I'm going to do is take 2 little googly eyes. Got one. And got this one.
okay, I can take a googly eye too. Okay, so you're gonna put one glue dot on one side of the Hershey Kiss, and then you're gonna take the googly eye, the mini ones, and you're gonna stick it on one side to look like kind of like this.
Now we're going to be making the nose.
Wait, I'm not on there.
So the nose, we're going to take a glue dot. We're going to stick it just like this and put it like around the tip. Like around the tip of this.
Okay, now I'm gonna take a pink puff ball, and I'm gonna take one of the glue dots and stick it on its little nose.
To make the body, we're going to use these breath mints. We're going to take a glue dot again. We're going to stick it just to one side. Sure it sticks. And then stick the face just like this.
Here we
You can
go.
see that the legs are stick like this, so we're going to do this, that, as you can see. So we're going to need 4 glue dots for that.
Doo-ba-doo. I'm sticking on. That guy just okay. Stuck. And now I'm going to take my face
I'm
and
gonna take my body
brush
now.
it on. Like that. So you can't So what's next?
Definitely crumbled for glue dot.
I actually did that also.
That doesn't work because it's not sticky anymore.
Yes, it is.
Okay, Sophia's doing my face for me. So I'm gonna
So
try
you're-
doing the legs. Okay,
So here's mine, Bella.
her name is
It was
Bella.
and Mr. Puffball.
And mine is this cute little puppy. Its name is, let's see, Elephant. Short name Ellie. And Mr. Googly Eye.
So here is purple.
Okay.
And wait. His name is Eyeball.
Okay. So,
Thank you
for
for
watching
watching
our
our
video.
video. And hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you could do something like it.
And if you guys want to keep watching more of these videos,
Okay,
go to follow us in Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And YouTube, you just look up NanyCrafts.com, and you can find more of our videos.
And we're also thanking NanyCrafts for these shirts, and they let us make these videos. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, but first, what we're going to do, raise your hand if you want to eat a chocolate. So that means if your parents don't let it, you just hide some in your pocket, and then when you want to eat one, just take it out and eat it.
I'm so scared.
Me too.
What's the thing that's so small?
From my pockets.